Hello folks, we all know I've been chasing small portable platform CAD editor or CAD viewers because I'm on the road a bit. I had a throw at the iPad, but it's really just a toy. There's no real world functionality in terms of the kind of stuff that we do. So I'm back onto my wife's Netbook. It's a 1.6 Atom with 1 gig of RAM, and Rhino fairly crawls on it. So I'm having a look at Moi. It draws well, it works well, but when you start actually opening external models from, say, Rhino or so, you have a very sluggish response, as you can see from this. Sort of similar to the iPad when you open meshed models that have got a heavy mesh count. Now I stumbled onto something here which I think probably is a fairly obvious thing, but if anybody else is trying to use Moi or the Moi viewer on a netbook, go into the little options menu down the bottom there. I don't know if it's going to show up in the video. Down the bottom of my mouse is the little options thing. Hit the options thing, and then have a look in general shortcut in view, and by default my mesh angle was 1 and the tab for add detail to inflections was on. So I took that and I turned it into, I think it was 15, and I switched off add detail to inflections, and you can notice immediately there's great response, fantastic response in fact, and suddenly this tiny little netbook becomes a very viable design tool. So I don't know if this little bit of information helps anyone. Where I found that setting once again was go to options, go to your view. I'll move my camera a little bit closer and see if it focuses. Whoa, no focus. Okay, anyway, so there's a mesh angle and add detail to inflections over there. Give it a poke with that and see how it comes up for you guys. Cheers.